it's all too late. Maybe I'm just done fighting. Maybe, oh, maybe I'm indecisive. Maybe it's all too late. Maybe I'm just done fighting. It's all too late. It's all too late. All too late. It's all too late. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good and keeping safe. So I just thought to jump in and let you know and update you about all the processes, everything that we've been going through since we moved from Nigeria to the UK. So there is currently a housing crisis in the UK and it is causing a lot of backlog. There are a lot of people. For one house, you can have up to 20 people going to view the property. So we've been unable to get permanent accommodation, and in between I have to work. So it's been a little bit of a challenge, but God on our side, we're going through it. You know, my brother has been really, really supportive during this process. So we've been in Airbnbs. This is our second Airbnb and we're moving to a third one today. So I just said, okay, even though I've been stressed and I've not been in the mood to vlog or blog or to put camera on, I just said, okay, let me show you what this one looks like and where we're at now. And then I'll try to document the journey on where we're going. My husband left ahead of us earlier and he's booked a van, because imagine you are carrying all your load from Nigeria from place to place. It's not easy. So we put some of the things in storage and he's got quite a bit of things. So he booked a van and I didn't want to spend extra on booking another cab to go, because we're going from one part of the town right across to the other side. So it's a bit far. So we're going to be going by train, and I will try as much as possible to document our journey and our trip, but I'm going to show you what this one looks like now, and I'm going to try my best to just keep you updated. It's not easy, but we give God all the glory. It's not easy, and I just honestly digging deep within me to just find that strength to actually go through this process, because I believe and I know that this is a season that will come and definitely pass. So let me show you what this one looks like.
Maybe I'm indecisive. Maybe it's all too late. Maybe I'm just done fighting. Maybe, oh, maybe I'm indecisive. Maybe it's all too late. Maybe I'm just done fighting. It's all too late. It's all too late. All too late. It's all too late. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm falling down. Maybe it's me in my head and I can't get it out. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm falling down. Maybe it's crazy. Oh, I almost touched the ground. Touch the ground. Oh, I touched the ground. Touch the ground. Oh, touch the ground. I can't seem to make up my mind about us. Make up this time for us. Make up my mind about us. Yeah. tried. I don't know why I couldn't make this work, but believe me, I tried. Now it's all too late. Now it's all too late. All too late. All too late. Oh. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm falling down. Maybe it's me in my head and I can't get out. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm falling down. Maybe it's hazy. Oh, I almost passed around.
Hi. So we made it here in one piece, and I think the journey is supposed to be like an hour and a half, but I ended up delaying myself. You know, when you move with kids, everybody wants to wee wee, everybody wants to, and then I also was waiting for a later train, so it took us about 2 hours thereabouts, but we made it here in one piece, and I just want to show you what the apartment looks like.